Hello everybody! Hello! So nakita niyo na ba yung video? How true is it? How true ba na isa-stop na yung pag-issue ng K1 fiancé visa? Is it really true na tapos na, wala na po, hindi na po mag-i-issue ang US ng K1 fiancé visa? Gaano katotoo ba ito and kailan ba ito magiging effective? So if you're new to my channel, mag-subscribe ka na para hindi ka huli sa balita. Click the bell button para ma-notify ka on my next upload. So hello everybody! Welcome and welcome back po sa aking channel. Welcome back to Jai and Jerry. Kumusta po ang lahat? Kinabahan na ba kayo? Kinabahan din ba kayo? Or kinabahan ba kayo? Natakot ba kayo? Nag-worry ba kayo? Nakakaloka yung news. Charot. Anyways, yes po, kumusta ang lahat? I hope everyone is doing fine and well today. So alam nyo na, sa mga naka-follow dito sa akin, alam nyo na kung ano yung setup na ganito. Pag nakaupo ako ng ganito, pag seryoso ako, alam nyo na kung ano yung topic natin today. So yes, for those who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jai po and I am originally from the Philippines but I live now in Florida. I got here through a K1 fiancé visa and right now I am a green card holder under 2 years conditional. 2 years conditional po palang po ang meron tayo. Early next year, again, I will be applying for removal of conditions and sa lahat po ng mag-apply soon as well ng removal of conditions, stay tuned for my update or upload on how to apply for removal of conditions. For I make videos about K1 fiancé visa, go to my channel, Giant Jerry. Go to playlist and then sa playlist po may makikita kayong album title dyan na K1 Visa and AOS Step-by-Step Guide and Tips. Nandyan na po lahat ng mga videos ko about K1 Visa. I do updates as well, especially coming from the official website po ng US Visa. That's USCIS, travel.state.gov, ustraveldocs.com. Always rely on those official website for US visa. So yes, gaano nga ba katotoo? Is it really true that US will stop issuing K1 fiancé visa? Ano nang mangyayari? Ano nang alternative for K1 fiancé visa? So just a disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any government agency nor working with or as an immigration attorney. I am not a professional or a legal expert. I'm only sharing based on my personal experience and my research as a DIY filer po, a do-it-yourself filer. Ako lang po lahat nag-process ng documents ko, nag-apply, kami lang po ni asawa ko, just me and my husband. Kami lang po nag-process ng documents. So these are all based on my personal experience and my research. Yesterday, I woke up to a few messages, a few PM sa akin sa TikTok, and I saw this certain video. They've been sharing me this video and I was shocked actually. The very first line was like, is it true? Yung first line ng mga message talaga nila is it true? Totoo ba na mag-stop na wala ng K1 visa? Magsa-stop na ba? Kailan ba siya magsa-stop? How true is this, Miss Jai? And they sent me a video of this, they sent me a video, wag na lang natin i-elaborate kung sino. But anyways, they sent me this video, I watched the video, and I knew right then, right there, when I opened it, alam ko na mismo na hindi po totoo. If you have been following me here, you should know better, and especially, if you are processing your documents or your case or someone is processing it for you like agencies or lawyer, kayo po mismo ang unang makakaalam if it's true or not. So alam nyo yan po mismo. And for those who have been following me here, you know that I always update about visas, K1 visa and adjustment of status. So alam nyo na po. And if you are new here, mag-subscribe ka na para hindi ka rin huli sa balita and hindi ka ma-victimize ng mga fake news. So ayun na nga, fake news po. It's a fake news. Kasi hindi nga siya naka-open ng comment section. Charot. Anyways, yes, fake news po ang kumakalat ngayon na video regarding issuing or regarding US will stop issuing K1 fiancé visa. Hindi po totoo. It's a fake news. Wag po kayong maniwala. And wag po kayong basta-basta na lang po maniniwala. I don't know why they did this or why they do that. I don't know. I have no idea. Walang bukang bibig about it. Walang bukang bibig dito sa US about K1 visa that the US will stop issuing it. Walang bukang bibig. Walang update from USCIS. Maraming update from USCIS about K1 fiancé visa. Maraming update from other visa categories and other countries' visa, but not the K1, not specifically the K1 fiancé visa. So, just to be clear, para po mawala na ang kaba ninyo, fake news po iyon. That's a fake news. Huwag po kayong basta-basta maniwala. Right now, if there are changes, wala pa namang nai-implement right now, but they may be stricter this time than the last time po with the new administration. So magiging stricto po sila sa processing. Baka po may mga delays na mangyayari na naman and more documents na hihingin po. But right now, hindi pa yan nai-implement. So please stay tuned and please always check USCIS website. That's the official website for US visa. uscis.gov, travel.state.gov, ustraveldocs.com, and of course, the US Embassy po. These are all the official website of the US visa or visas to the US. So wag po kayong basta-basta maniwala. Yun lang po, I just wanna address that one kasi hindi ako nakapag-respond kahapon because we were out yesterday. We've been traveling. Hapon na po kami nakabalik. Ang aga naming umalis ng bahay. Hapon na kami nakabalik and I was so tired. Yung iba na-replyan ko, yung iba ngayong umaga ko palang na-replyan, yung iba hindi ko pa po na-replyan. So ito na lang, sa video na lang para at least yung iba na they don't know me, your friends, you can share this to your friends, mga kakilala niyo po na K1 fiancé visa para hindi din po sila magulantang. Para mawala din po yung mga kaba nila and mga disappointment po nila because I'm pretty sure a lot of you out there were worried and disappointed with this. So yes, everybody, again, it's a fake news and visit the official website and please subscribe to my channel for updates regarding K1 fiancé visa and adjustment of status. And again, yes, ano pa ba? Ano pa bang sasabihin ko? Basta yun lang po. It's a fake news. Huwag kayong basta-basta maniwala. You can catch me on my live stream weekdays around 7:30 in the morning po Central Time Zone dito sa US, and that's around 9:30 p.m., 9:30 or 10 p.m. or between those time, 9:30 to 10 p.m. po. You can catch me on my live stream dito po sa YouTube and sa TikTok. I go live together po at the same time. If you want to, like, kung may mga question kayo, may mga confusions kayo and all of that, kung alam ko lang po naman ang sagot, I will answer you. Pag hindi ko po alam, of course, I will tell you where to go para makita po yung mga sagot ninyo. But anyways, maraming salamat po, and at least kahit papaano sana itong video is nakatulong sa inyo, nabawasan yung mga kaba po ninyo. Hayaan nyo na lang sila. Huwag nyo na lang pong pansinin. Baka nagpapapansin lang po sila. Huwag nyo na lang pong pansinin kasi the more napapansinin nyo po sila, the more na mag-aano sila. Mag-aalboroto, charot. Huwag nyo na lang pong pansinin. Stay positive because the more you attract, the more na yan po ang lalapit sa inyo. So, think positive lang kayo mga K1 visa filers, sisters ko dyan and sisterette. Kaya yan. Laban lang po tayo. You'll be here soon. You'll be with your fiancés very soon, in no time. So thank you very much, everybody. Again, please follow, please subscribe, please like this video and share this video to anyone you know na nagpa-file ng K1 visa para at least mawala din po yung kaba nila. And see you in my next video. Maraming salamat po and good luck, everybody.